what type of specific lawyer should I use to review my purchase agreement and help me negotiate the lease? Okay, well, certainly you want someone who has some experience in commercial real estate and business transactions. I mean, that's checkbox, checkbox. For extra credit, I would certainly look for someone who has some experience with laundromat transactions. Now, how do you find that out? You got to ask around, right? You got to talk to the commercial laundry equipment distributors. You need to talk to the business brokers and try to find someone, if you can, that has experience in these transactions. Now, again, if you're in a rural area or in between major cities, you're probably not going to find that. But if you're in one of the major markets, you very well might be able to find an attorney who has some experience in putting laundromat deals together and helping to review leases. Negotiating the lease, you can find an attorney to do that, certainly, but quite often it's someone through the distributorship or the brokerage, again, who has some experience that can help provide that as part of their services. Again, nothing like working with someone who's done 50 or 100 or 300 laundromat leases before. This is obviously new to you.